Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at my 6 top benefits of becoming a CGMA. If you are going through your journey and a bit unmotivated and you're wondering why exactly you are going through this journey and pushing yourself through it, then today should be able to give you that little bit extra motivation. In at number 1, we have the recognition of achievement. It is no hiding that sitting the 16 exams required to become a CGMA is a tough feat. You are going to be working full time. You're going to be coming home and revising 2 to 3 hours of an evening, upwards of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours at the weekend. You're going to be putting in a tremendous amount of hours in order to pass your 16 exam. People recognize you've done a good job, and it just makes you feel that little bit better about the pain that you've probably put yourself for 3 to 4 years. And then at number 2, we have the pay increases. A lot of individual CGMA qualifications are paid for by their employers. As a result, there is usually a link between you passing your exams and you gaining additional pay rises. For me, I was able to recognise £6,000 in pay rises, which created a direct reward for me passing my exams. Let's be honest, we're all in this industry, the accountancy industry, for the money. It is a very good paying industry versus the average of other industries. Therefore, having your remuneration linked between your exams and passing your exams to getting initial pay rises is a lovely reward to make that extra bit of effort all worthwhile. In at number 3, we have career progression. CGMA is a globally recognised qualification within the management accounting industry. I like to think of the CGMA qualification as your passport to the beginning of your management accounting career. It's like the passport for you getting on that plane. It enables you to demonstrate to your existing or potential new employer that you were able to put the time in, you had the intelligence to pass through the exams, and you was able to obtain that qualification, which, as we touched on earlier in this video, is no easy feat. As a result, this opens up opportunities for you, whether that be internal promotions, whether that be new roles outside of your organization. It will always open up opportunities for you because you have a CGMA designation. On top of obtaining your CGMA qualification, you'll also be able to demonstrate a fast progression within your career, which is extremely attractive to new employers. It enables you to show potential employers that you are able to apply your learning to the real business environment and make an impact to those businesses. In at number 4, we have flexibility of careers. Now, I will touch on this one very lightly, but the CGMA qualification isn't purely for management accountants. There is a real focus on the business element of the qualification as well, meaning that you will be able to utilize that understanding in various other elements of that business. Let's say, for example, you wanted to be an account manager. Well, an account manager relies on a very strong financial understanding to ensure that their sales are making the required margin. The management accounting qualification is extremely flexible, and it doesn't matter if you're thinking about potentially changing career paths 10, 20 years down the line. It will always give you experience that is relevant for any particular business. In at number 5, we have the community that you are able to be part of. The general level of intelligence among the accountancy industry is extremely high, and it enables you to be part of that community. You're able to meet like-minded individuals with like-minded interests and get to know these people. The biggest benefit for me of this is being able to learn off of others. Of course, we have formal learning such as training courses or on-the-job training. However, a lot of my informal learning will come from shadowing other people. It might just be overhearing a telephone conversation in the office, but that is a learning, and I take interest in other people's conversations so that I can understand how exactly they manage a situation and then understand whether or not I can manage a situation better myself next time. For me, it's about meeting like-minded individuals who have similar interests to myself. And last but not least, and maybe the least important to all of you, but for me, it's a big one because of this YouTube channel, but it enables you to gain an experience and help others who are going through that experience. So like you guys, my audience, you're all going through your CGMA journeys. I am using my experience of becoming a CGMA to help educate you. And that's a great feeling to know that you're providing value to others and people are extracting value from your experiences and your opinions. Life is about sharing your experiences. Life is about sharing your value. Life is about sharing your values, your experiences. And for me, that is extremely important. Now, I hope you enjoyed that video. And if you are studying your exams and wanting that extra bit of motivation, it may have given you that extra bit of motivation you need to continue your studying journey. But that is all from me today. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. But until then, goodbye.